Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a title to WordArt in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Microsoft Word document. Now we want to convert title to WordArt. Select the title, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu and find and select the WordArt drop down menu. Now we can see here many WordArt style. We select any style. Now I select the style and we can see here we convert a title to WordArt very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.